2004 Cadillac Escalade Ext. We have a air conditioning problem, and it's not working the way it should. It's blowing the air, but it's blowing hot air. So, in a lot of cases, new AC control unit is what is the problem. Very easy to change. You need to remove the dashboard console. There's only a couple of clips here. What I always do is I put the steering wheel down, and then you might need to turn the key on and put the transmission lever down to be able to wiggle the trim out. I'm using 7mm wrench. You replace the control module, and even though it looks like it's working, it's not. You can adjust it, trying to adjust it. It's not changing anything. It keeps blowing warm air. So we're gonna replace it and see if it'll fix it.